Hey guys, it's Balisong Flips, and I'm going to be doing a collection of my Balisongs after 1 year of flipping. So let's get in. This isn't my first, but the first one I have gone. This is a Baron Sons 115 live blade. And got this as the first one, learned basics. Was able to string a few moves together. But really all I do is beat it anymore because the play is god-awful. The latch gets in the way, and you can hear the tap is not good at all. So, I beat it a lot. It still stays in shape. So yeah, that's that. So my next one is by Squid Industries. And it is my first, I guess you could say, high-end Balisong. It is my Squid Industries Triton. I got this as a present after a few months sitting with that live blade. I heard a lot of good things, and it flips really well. The play is good. I've dropped it on concrete a bit, that's why the edges are mixed up. There's tap a little bit, but again, 1 year, I haven't really looked into maintenance that much, which I should. This is probably my second heaviest, with that one being the first one. So I used this for a while, Great Valley. And one trend that you probably will notice in this video is that the most recent ones are lighter, like it's lighter and lighter and lighter. So my next one is my most expensive Valley. And it is my Benchmade 51. So my Benchmade 51 saved up money for basically almost the entire year, or the entire time I had my Triton to get. Yeah. It flips really good. It plays nice. There is tap, and I probably should take the latch off, because without the latch, which basically I just flip it up and it gets stuck. Without the latch, it sounds really good. So I think I might take that off soon. The pocket clip used to bother me when I first got it, but now I don't really mind. So yeah, the Benchmade 51. And for my most recent one, it is another Squid Industries. It is a newly released Squiddy C. My lightest Valley. Squiddy C flips really good, and there's some, like, it's good for flipping when watching something. It's got the little Squid Industries face, and it's got kind of Zen pins and Tang pins. Honestly, I probably would have preferred it more if it was just Tang pins, Zen pins, because Actually, I don't even know if I'm saying this right. I'm pretty sure it's Zen pins. So yeah, Lightest Valley, got it like a few weeks ago, and I've been really enjoying it. And also in this video, I guess I'll show you some other stuff that I've picked up throughout getting into the world of, I guess, skill toys. Another thing I've picked up is pen spinning. So this is my first self-mod that I've actually kept and not lost. So this is made of just any ball grips, some metal tips, and Crayola Super Tips body. I mainly use this when I'm like flipping over concrete because these tips hold up pretty well, scratches a bit, but I don't want to ruin my other one. So my other one is my Ivan mod. So this one actually took me a while to make, because one, it was the first time actually modding actual pen, not just like scrapping stuff together. So it's kind of difficult, but eventually I'll pick it up. So yeah, so I've been learning most of my linkages on, learning some new tricks, dropping it a lot. So yeah, it's really fun. And my last thing that I have, and the thing that I'm the most beginner at, is my beglery, my round square beglery. Very basic stuff. I am not good. I mainly use this in like a school or when, like before I had my Squiddy C or pen mods, I use this. It's fun. I'm probably not going to get really advanced at it, since I don't really do it that often, as you can see by me dropping it. So yeah. And that is my collection of my Zeta and pens that I've thrown around. I actually don't know where I threw my 51. There's Triton, Grandson, Squiddy C, 51, pens, and backboard. So that's my collection after 1 year of getting into this hobby.